imagination. We explore and create new art ideas and make tutorials on them. So in this video, I am going to show you a rose hack which is quite basic and simple, which I have discovered it by my own. Even if you are an art beginner, you can go through this video. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you like this video. Also, there is an announcement in the end of the video, so stay tuned.
Here for an announcement. We have an upcoming challenge called the Floral Wind Challenge. You can draw, paint or color flowers with a vintage effect. The challenge starts from 29th July till 7th August. The results will be declared on 12th August on our Instagram page. So don't forget to check our Instagram account for further updates, and don't forget to use the hashtag the Floral Wind Challenge.